All right, Felix, look at this. Check this layout out. Oh, man, he's got a nice little layout over here. But anyway, what I was really laughing about, we had an episode around here not long ago. We had a FedEx driver. One of the drivers was dumping all the packages in the place in the woods, and nobody could find their packages. Hey guys, does that take you back? If you're looking for your packages, it's probably in the woods somewhere, right? Anyway, well, thanks for watching Our Sweet Home Live. Look at the Rock City. Who remembers the Rock City? Rock City Barns, cotton fields. There you go, Felix. What about that? You and Roxy. There you go for all you rail lovers. Man, that's cool, isn't it? Bus station, the bus stops here, guys.